Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day makeup look. Something simple, but a little bit extra, you know, a little oomph with some glitter and like some smokiness going on. If you're new here, I'm Shania. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't have anything else to say, so let's just get right into the tutorial. To prime my eyes today, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Cakeless Concealer. Nothing new. I need like a lighter pink first as like my transition shade. So I'm going to take my Jackie eyeliner palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to take the shade Supreme, which is this pink shade right here, and I'm just going to like pat it on there first. Okay, and then I'm going to take my Amrezy palette and I'm going to take the shade Semza, which is the fuchsia shade, and I'm going to pop that into my crease, outer third of the eye as well, and then bringing it up and out, like winging it out here. I'm gonna take that same Semza shade and I'm gonna mix it in with the black eyeshadow in this palette. I'm gonna just deepen the outer crease. I'm gonna lay down Dragon first. And then I'm going to take Semza again, and I'm going to pop that right here to kind of just wing out the outer third of the eye. And then I'm going to grab the black and pat that right there. And wing it out. Oh yes, ma'am. Okay, for lashes today, I'm going to be wearing my ABH lashes in the style Link. Okay, why did I just say that like that? Okay, so now that the eyes are almost done, it's time to go on to the face. So for primer today, I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer, which is honestly so bomb. Okay, and for foundation today, I'm going to take my Anastasia Luminous Foundation in the shade 500C. For concealer today, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Stay Naked Correcting Concealer in the shade 70 and Y. I never put it on my forehead because like I don't want to draw attention to the forehead, girl. If you're going on a date for Valentine's Day and you have a big forehead that you don't really love having, don't put concealer on your forehead. It's just gonna make it bigger and more noticeable, because when you highlight, you're highlighting your face, so you're highlighting the areas that you want to be brighter, to be seen more. So if you put concealer on your forehead to highlight and you don't love your freaking forehead, it's gonna be beaming, sis, and you don't want to see beaming. Your date's gonna be like, okay, Megamind, I see you. I'm gonna use this ColourPop F5 brush to blend out my under eye concealer. And then to set my under eye concealer, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Deep. Okay, I'm gonna bronze with my Hoola Toasted bronzer. I love this Dare to Be Different blush from HB Cosmetics in the shade Oh So Snatched. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this, not too much, because I don't want to go overboard. Someone told me I need to tone down on my blush on my last video. No, but today I will, because I already have pink on my eyes. So this is for you. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Urban Decay liner in my waterline in the shade Alkaline. It's like a burgundy shade. It's not like super noticeable unless you're like super close up, but it's really cute and subtle, and it's not like too dark like a black eyeliner, but it like has a little pop of something, you know what I mean? I'm gonna go right under that and use the shade Semza and DECAY from the Amrezy palette and mix those two to smoke my lash line. I mean my lower lash line. I wanted to do like a little bit of a pink glossy lip, but honestly I feel like I should just keep it nude because that just looks better. Take my Maybelline brown eyeliner, and I love using this for my lips because it's like the perfect color for me. It's gonna overline, and a lot of people have been asking me like my lip shape, like how do I get my lip shape? I'll show you. So I only overline the center of my lips now because I feel like it makes it look like poutier and cuter. And Aunt actually taught me this, so shout out to Aunt. It looks so crazy when you just leave it like that. But, and then for the rest of the lip, you just follow the natural shape of your lips. I just ended up using this ColourPop liquid lipstick in the shade Slow Down because the concealer just didn't look good today. I don't know what was going on. It looked green. Like, I don't know. It was looking off for me. So I was like, not today, baby, not today. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys love this look and like want to try it out for Valentine's Day. You guys can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, all at Makeup by Shania. I'll leave all the products that I used in this video in the description box for you guys to check out. What else? Like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and that's all I have to say today. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.